Hello, so today I'm gonna show you how to add images and videos on your Wix website. Go to Edit Site. So first, let's add a section. Now go to Add Elements and you can see the Video and Music section. Then just add the video that you want to add. And of course, you can edit the uploaded video, or also you can change it if you want. You can select or change the videos from these platforms. And of course, you can also upload your own videos here. In addition, you can also edit the video with its color and opacity. You can also add border and shadow if you want. Next up is the uploading of images, which is similar to the videos. You just go to Add Elements and then you can find the Image section and just upload the pictures or photos that you want to add. And Wix can also provide you a lot of pictures that you want to use. You just need to search it and you can also edit the shapes of it. I hope that this video was helpful for you, and please like and subscribe for more.